Welcome to my channel. This is my cousin Eric.
Oh, hello guys.
And we're at Plaza in the Philippines.
Going to eat some food.
Your classmates.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we are all hungry. And this is my mother.
Hi.
Hi. This is my auntie. Auntie, what's your name again?
Moms.
This is Auntie Mabs. This is my father, the most handsome guy.
Mother since birth.
Show your beautiful cousins.
Here are my cousins. Yes, and this is my most handsome father. You should not steal her from my mother. This is my most handsome
Hello
cousin.
guys.
This is my brother. Ito yan naman si Tantan, guys. Balot yung naano niya. Reveal ko na yung lahat. Hindi sana ko re-reveal, pero ito na talaga. Nag-reveal na talaga ako ng voice ko, pati yung face ko. Takot pa naman ako pakita ng ng mukha, pati ng boses. Kapag kasi nag-gacha ako, mahirap. Iba-background ko pa tapos add people.
Hala, it's irritating me.
To Eric, what's your account user again?
Oh, I don't know. I have to search it.
Oh, I'll just send you the
Kasi siya nag-vlog. Kaya ginagamit
I'll-
niya.
No, I'm a YouTuber 12 years ago.
Oh,
Yes. Ow. Yeah, so subscribe to Kuya Eric. I'll just send you the account. Okay, so we just got our milk tea, but I need to buy lemon kiwi for my brother Eric. He's my cousin, but I call him brother of mine. So let's get into it. So yeah, we are here. We are here in the Plaza, Gapan, Philippines, Luzon. We're at Luzon. Yeah, I'm just a YouTuber from 12 years ago or 10 years. I don't exactly remember. But oh, I just saw my cousins. Yeah. Brother Eric is just over there. I'm just vlogging for YouTube. Oh, did I just pass? Okay, bye guys. I need to order. Sige po. Saan po? Thank you. Okay guys, nakuha ko na yung kailangan ko. At nasa akin na rin yung sukli. Papunta na ako. Kakain na kami siguro maya-maya. Kailangan muna na umorder ng mga pagkain. So yeah, bye-bye. Here's my father. He just took the money and the milk, the shake.
No,
Yeah.
the lemonade.
Yeah, it's also a milkshake. That's for Kuya Eric's at yours. Yeah. So they just bought Royal for, I don't know. See, they just bought Royal. Well, it's not raining anymore, so we're gonna eat here.
Order daw, order.
So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Don't worry, son, in the week.
Tall, man, this is a tall person. He's even tall.
what are you doing?
I'm measuring how tall you can.
Oh, that's interesting. You cannot even when you reach your arm, you cannot even.
Look at me. I'm so tall. When I'm more literally. So
You have to go there. One step higher.
no, don't expose me. That is rude. I hope this video will get at least 1 view
At
or
least
10
I
views.
will get 1 view. I can promise you that because I will.
My
view
friend has 500 views.
it. 2 meters.
Ate Camila is missing. Where is she, by the way? She's been like 30 minutes gone. Anyways, this is Ate Jillian. She accidentally ate Ate Hard's. What's that called again? Fries. They always fight each other when I'm around.
Really?
When I'm not around, they don't fight each other. Wow. This is Tantan, the most sweetest totally boy in the world. Totally sweetest talaga, no? Look at them, chismis.
How's the mood?
Also, this is Ate Camille. She's the minor character.
Minor character.
I heard that the minor character is only be shown videos like twice
2
or
or 3 maybe.
yeah. I just
But they
learned,
are minor character, but they are important.
yeah. I just got from school. I am GJC suit and I have a video may pack, and I have the.
Yeah. Yes.
But you cannot see that. I will blur it.
Oh,
Yeah.
you don't have to.
Yeah, they cannot know that I'm GJC yet. They don't even know what's GJC. Okay, just hold the camera.
Because my hair.
Yeah. Don't explode your hair. Take care.
Thank you for that.
I hope it could be dry, but it is what it is. Take care.
Bye-bye. Look, she there go. Fast flapoy. So fast flapoy. Anyways, bye guys. We're sadly going home and Kuya Eric's gonna
It's raining and
go
it's
away come again another day.
fearful. Yeah.
No, I'm saying that Kuya Eric is going to go away again come
But
again.
next time we will make this.
No, Christmas.
One-
Go in
Christmas.
Christmas. Guys, comment.
Pray for Christmas, guys.
Mag-comment kayo. Mag-comment kayo kung he will go on Christmas or he will go after 2 years. Here in the Philippines, from Netherlands, from Europe, from Germany.
Yes. Yung green na
We'll
kaya
have a lot of editing to do.
Kaya nga, tahimik lang yung mga yan kahit anong sabihin. Kahit sa akin, hindi. Madilim naman eh.
Nagsalita yan, nasa kukla.
Ibon.
Check your mirror. Can you help me carry the thing?
Yeah. You're moving?
Nakaigod na ako lang sa'yo. Sabi ko yun.
Naubusan ka ng price, naubusan ka ng drinks.
Ano may na ba yan?
Say bye, guys. Say bye. Mag-bye na kayo sa vlog, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
bye,
Thanks
guys.
for watching.
Expensive for us.
Bye-bye.
Kumpara naman sa
Bye-bye.
pool, magkano
Say bye-bye,
na natin,
comment.
500 yan.
Say bye-bye.
Hold on. Say bye-bye again.
Say bye-bye again.
Isang 350.
Say bye-bye, father.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment if he's going to Christmas or after 2 years.
Bye-bye, Tito.
And hope we can reach 50 subscribers so that we can live. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching again. See ya.
Okay, ingat kayo.